Okay, good.
Good. Okay. For those that are using SendGrid, we had talked last week about some of the changes that we had made. If you come in here, you could have multiple people that you've that have opened a message or clicked on a message. We talked about being able to select those emails. I can go in here and select them. And we talked about, well, you can go in and do mass updates of those people. So the use case here being, if somebody opened an email, if you're using SendGrid, they opened up the email, you want to know who they are. Well, you can select them and do stuff. And maybe because they opened that email, you want to do something with them, maybe, or you want to tag them in a certain way. So now you can go in there and do the update selected record, and you can update categories or different things, adding tags, removing tags, or whatever you want to. So that was there. We talked about that last week. What wasn't there was the three additional items here of emailing. So if they opened an email, that means maybe they're more apt at getting something. Maybe I want to send them another email just to the ones that opened it, or just to the ones that clicked on that message. I now have the button here where I can go through and send emails to whoever I have marked. I can also start routines on whoever I have marked, as well as now a print option, so that if you want to see the printout of those people and be able to use them for something, name, phone number, and email is now being able to be printed. So those are there. I did also add a print option in the upper right corner for the overall information of this. So if I click on this, it'll give you you can then print out kind of what the stats are and be able to track those if you are so inclined.
Is that for text messages too, SMSs?
It's only for SendGrid, so it's only for email using SendGrid.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we can't do that yet. I've been trying to figure out a good way, a reliable way of doing it within Gmail and Outlook. While I can do it, it's not real reliable, and it's kind of a pain to address. SMS, I might be able to do it with SendGrid or with Twilio stuff. I really should look into that and see what we can do there.
Quick question. Let's say we send a video to Dub and it integrates with SendGrid. Is that something that it's going to show here, or it's going to be independent?
It will be independent. I'm going back and forth with Darius right now on the things that they do. Whenever a video is sent through Dub, they do track when it was opened, when it was clicked on, when it was viewed, how long it was viewed, that behavioral information. They're supposed to be sending me through the webhook, and they're not sending that to me yet. But I saw that you had sent an intro, and I'd replied to that. So hopefully they get back to me.